Ubah Synshar ku parling doa ubalayo ya ka jingjob hak election na pok soyong constituency menta ka si ka khatndru turik jemmang ulalei banbam smai ku memeli bapura habar ka office trikam jong lampang ka yingdor bar thawain ka jalla ya ka bawla sha banbam smai du sembut lampang ka yingdor bar thawain dau timuti di sira habakran sekilat patai kubor ubah Synshar ulapan pau baudap da ka jingkemen bakrau hadien bola dep banbam smai ku memeli bapura jong ka soyong bat pen pau ru bau unsarawan ra ya ka jingkylla na ka bynta ka roi ka par hapoh ka constituency.
Because of comment, mereka si ulang kerbang mo, nang nes kemat sedang like what I've said, starts a new era, Soyong Constituency, and also I think a good thing, and with God's blessing to the people of the constituency and also for the state. New development, new ideas of bringing something new to the constituency and also adding a new brain to the assembly. Being a legislator, you just come and sit in the assembly. I want to be a legislator who will speak in the assembly, which me speaking might be an addition or wake up call to many other MLAs in the assembly. Starts from ground zero. He's done a lot for the constituency, and talking about myself, then I'll start everything from ground zero.